Aha, Ani, Bojo, Kinawea, Manon the Mene Giizis, Bigish Manoyayak, Miigwech Wendam Gibijayak Mompi, and Ishnabek Nation Giizisoo-Mzinigan Anishinaabemowin Kirunan, Miigwech Wendam Martina Osawamick Anishinaabemowin Yang Nongom. Hi, everybody. Happy May. We're in that moon now. And I'm thankful that we have Martina Osawamick joining us this evening to teach us as we do our monthly Giizisoo-Mzinigan webinar, reviewing the phrases shared in the annual calendar. This month we are focusing on inspirational or affirmational messages. Ali Darnay Indigenous cause Gitiganzi Beden de Bandagos, Anishinaabemowin Anishinaabemowin Anishinaabeg Nation Donjanaki. I'm Ali Darnay from Garden River First Nation. I'm the Anishinaabemowin manager here at the Anishinaabeg Nation. The Anishinaabe Department was launched in January of 2023 to support language reclamation, documentation, and revitalization. We also support we also support Barbara Nolan, our Anishinaabe Iniganwadod, and the Enki Majigwi Abzi Tong Committee, which is the Language Revitalization Committee. Nahau Lori, Keen Tum, Maba Anishinaabe Enkitang, Lori McLeod Shabakishik. Over to you.
Nahau. Shmigwech Gibijayak Kinawea, Mijaj Ekdot Yawian Minwa Nankian, Anishinaabeg Nation in Donjanaki, Chiging Donjaba Minwa Nipissing de Bendagos, Gitchmigwech. And I just wanted to welcome you all tonight. My name is Lori McLeod Shabagijik, and as Ali mentioned, I am the Anishinaabe coordinator here at Anishinaabe Nation. And part of my role here tonight is to start you off with Ngurwe Wangazit Anishinaabe. Anjbidon. Nahau. Ngurwe Wangazit Anishinaabe. One Anishinaabe family is the guiding principles developed by elders on Minado-Minising on Manitoulin Island, and we have adopted them here at Anishinaabeg Nation, and we share them in each of our workshops and presentations. And it's a really good way to set the theme for our evening tonight as one Anishinaabe family. And these beautiful images here were developed for us and gifted to us by Shikamba, Gordon Wanda Benspa, our lead elder for the Anishinaabe Nation, who went home a few years ago. Now, Miigwech. The Benjagad Gi son Anishinaabe King, Gibid the Goan Gadanim and Ado Wadzuin. Creator placed Anishinaabe on the earth along with the gift of spirituality. Shkure Nebe Ake Noden, Gibidagostanan we Nagadawendamong Mampish Kagmekong. Here on Mother Earth, there were gifts given to the Anishinaabe to look after: fire, water, earth, and wind. The Benjigek Giminan Gichitwawan Dago Kanishnaben Wanagdonjin Ninda Nijwaswe Kinumadwinan. The Creator gave Anishinaabe 7 sacred gifts to guide them. They are Zogidwin, Debwewin, Nadendamowin, Nabwakawin, Dabadendiswin, Gwekwazuin, Minwa Akadeowin. Love, truth, respect, wisdom, humility, honesty, and bravery. The Benjiga Kimingona Debinwe Nagada Windowin. Creator gave us sovereignty to govern ourselves. Kamna Dendanaga Bejawebak, Minwa Nangwa Megwa Ejawebak, Minwa Gayabe Wan Ejawebak. We respect and honor the past, present, and future. Naha, Miigwech. And as mentioned, that's the preamble to the Anishinaabe Nation Constitution as adopted by our Grand Council in June 2011. We just wanted to take a moment to acknowledge our fabulous artist who shared her work with us. We wanted to extend our gratitude to Mshike Autumn Smith, who is an Anishinaabe artist from Magnetawan First Nation. She's of the Caribou clan, and she's also an Anishinaabemowin language teacher as well. And so we're so happy that she shared her artwork with us. And just so you know, we're preparing for the 2027 Anishinaabeg Nation Giizisoo-Mzinigan, and we're looking for contributors from our Anishinaabeg Nation communities, and we cover 4 territories, so Northern Superior, Robinson Huron, and the Southeast and Southwest regions. So if you're interested, contact us. Contact Ali and I. Nahaw chimiwech. Kinta Mali.
How me much. I was looking around for that toolbar I was talking about earlier. Sometimes it disappears on me, but I found it. All right. Um, Ngichinenda Montpillard. I'm happy she's here. Our presenter, Martina Osawamick. Miigwech for sharing this month's inspirational phrases. Welcome to our webinar this evening. Ogni Kwe is an Ojibwe Odawa from Wukamakong unceded territory. She's a survivor of the Spanish residential school. Martina is a proud Nokomis of 12 grandchildren and a great-grandmother to 3. One of her priorities has always been her passion for preserving, maintaining, and revitalizing the Anishinaabemowin language. Knowledge and ceremonies are a core component of her cultural teachings. She is also part-time working with Cambrian College as elder and Nokomis. Makwa and Mayangan are her helpers, and she has also been working with the Nsawamuk Friendship Center. Now, I'm really happy that she's able to join us this evening and share inspirational phrases. We're going to turn it over to you now, Chimigwech, for your contributions and your teachings, and I will control the slides as we go through this evening's presentation, and I'm going to turn it over to you. Naha, Machtada.
Ani. Now, Gamachta, Bejik, Mandas, Shbigadek. Demosh, can I say this twice or just once, Ali?
You can say it as many times as you like.
Okay.
Yeah.
The Mashkogabo Kenzawan. The Mashkogabo Kenzawan. The Mashkogabo Kenzawan. Anja Machtam and Sogishgak. Anja Machtam and Sogishgak. Anja Machtam and Sogishgak. How I can sing. Kena King, Kena Juan, Jobin Gwenien. Kena King, Kena Juan, Jobin Gwenien. Kena King, Kena Juan, Jobin Gwenien. Geyabegwa Gdo Nenigani Nengach Tkokien. Geyabegwa Gdo Nigani Nengach Tkokien. Geyabegwa Gdo Nigani Nengach Tkokien. Skom jago de gishgat. Skom jago de gishgat. Skom jago de gishgat. Gdopi tendagos. Gingo eauyen. Gdopi tendagos. Gingo eauyen. Gdopi tendagos. Gingo eauyen. Debuetan. Pekka, anch. Okay. Debuetan gin. Ese Giizisoo-Mzinigan Anishinaabemowin. Giizisoo-Mzinigan.
Excuse me, Martina, could you tell us a little bit about Giizisoo-Mzinigan? You know,
How people see you as, like, there's a um you could radiate, like radiate, in some kind of a, like an aura. Giizisoo-Mzinigan. Giizisoo-Mzinigan.
do we have a word in Anishinaabemowin that, like if we were going to talk about magic?
Not that I couldn't find a word for magic. Nin wanage ni gaunage ungim kwensin gego magic. Um,
This is great how you're going and how you're sharing with us. And we do have lots of time, so if ever you want to expand on something, feel free to do so.
okay. I'm just now my mind's on magic. Oh, I get my mind out of there now. Now, ni gan go da menogi jagat. Ni gan go da menogi jagat. Ni gan go da menogi jagat. Gdo gche pitenda was kenzoan. Gdo gche pitenda was kenzoan. Meno gashegi jagat. Meno gashegi jagat. Meno gashegi jagat. Goya gwa ya ekchinendemik. Goya gwa ya ekchinendemik. Goya gwa ya getchinendemik.
I feel like we're missing a D in Gichinendemic.
Goya gwa ya ekchinendemik. Goya gwa ya ekchinendemik. Chinendemic. Chinendemic. D-I-M-I-K. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Me
Which
bitch. Good thing that we have more eyes on looking here.
and ears.
Uh-huh. Keen go gada on. Nengachwa. Keen go gada on. Nengachwa. Yin go gdo dem. Put an M there. Gdo dem. Dem. D-E-M. Keen go gdo dem. Pekan enje jiang. Okay, let me repeat this. Keen go gdo dem. Pekan enje jiang. Keen go gdo dem. Pekan enje jiang. Okay. Keen go enje mach tamagak. Wa kiwe the mowin. I always have problems with that one. I will repeat this 3 more times. Keen go and excuse me. Keen go enje mach tamagak. Wa kiwe the mowin. Keen go enje mach tamagak. Wa kiwe the mowin. Keen go enje mach tamagak. Wa kiwe the mowin. Wenje shingwa nonch gego binje bedemagat. Okay, let me try this again. Wenje shingwa nonch gego binje bedemagat. Wenje shingwa nonch gego binje bedemagat.
Meanwhile, then,
Anch mi no? Wenje shingwa nonch gego binje bedemagat. Wenje shingwa nonch gego binje bedemagat. Wenje shingwa nonch gego binje bedemagat.
Martina, could you tell us a little bit more about Beach
Okay.
Bedemakat?
Beach bede is coming forward. Coming forward. Beach bede. That's coming forward, and there's there's good things that are coming forward your way. Okay. Gadina was wenje meno naugzeien. Gde na was wenje meno naugzeien. Gde na was wenje meno naugzeien. Gde na was wenje meno naugzeien. Anawe go wam this one oops beka anawe go wam this one okay anawe go wam this one gdo ndo magic I think it's supposed to say gdo magic if you can't see it, because right the way this is written, gdo, yeah. Adwego wam this one, you don't see it. Gdo magic. Adwego wam this one, gdo magic. Miwe. Adwego wam this one, gdo magic. Chigima kwegi ishigat. Chigima kwegi ishigat. Victoria Day. Gdo was kone ton gwa. De be edik go yayen. Gdo was kone ton gwa. De be edik go yayen. Gdo was kone ton go. De be edik go yayen. Gdo was kone ton go. De be edik go yayen. Kenna. Okay, this one I might have problems with here. Kenna shkwewe zoin. Kashkwewe zoin. Gdo nad ma gun. We nigan bisien. Kenna shkweo zoin. Gdo nad ma gun. We nigan bisien. Kenna shkweo zoin. Gdo nad ma gun. We not nigan bisien. Kenna shkweo zoin. Gdo nad ma gun. We nigan bisien. Noan go Noan go kagade Chinendamowin. Noan go kagade Chinendamowin. Noan go kagade Chinendamowin. Ginago goya enje shobing gwen nut. Okay, let's try this again. Kinago goya enje shobing gwenut. Kinago goya enje shobing gwenut. Ginago goya enje shobing gwenut. Abjatan je ji aje yen oh Abjatan je ji aje yen gado pitendawas. Abjatan je ji aje yen gado pitendawas. Abjatan je ji aje yen gado pitendawas.
Martina, can you explain this Giizisoo-Mzinigan?
Jigshiashe is like a shine, you know. Jigshiashe, you know, like if I was to say I'm going to be, you know, I'm shining. Jigshiashe Giashe is something that shines. Giashe, let's say there's a nice thing there. It's shiny. It's bright. It's brightness. Giashe, like my light here. Giashe magat, because I have a high voltage of light. Giashe in. It's that's the word that I found, like you know, to be bright and shining. Giashe, giashe is something that's in is animate. Giashe, giashe in is in like animate, I should say. I reverse that. Giashe is for something that's not alive. Giashe in is for something that is shining and bright.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Gado pitendawas. Yeah. Gado pitendawas. Your light matters. Gado pitendawas. I didn't want to write Gado pitendawas giashe in. I didn't want to repeat that again there. Your light matters. Unless you want to add it in. Gado pitendawas giashe in. Well, maybe not. It looks all right like that.
We always say it's not always literal, right? We we say things as close as we can in what sounds good in Anishinaabemowan, right? Sometimes these things in English, you try and put them into the language, and we find speakers are just like, no, let's say it like this instead. We're like, okay, I like that. No.
Mibabi chiging ne awan mashkowendamowin. Mibabi chiging ne awan mashkowendamowin. Mibabi chiging ne awan mashkowendamowin. Again, we couldn't find, like I couldn't find like a word for patience, you know, like but you know, when you wait for something, like that word Bobby told, you're waiting for something. Bobby chige, you know, you're waiting. waiting for something. Bobby Chiging, ne awan, Mashkowendabowin. It grows into the strength of having that, would you call it a virtue or, okay. Gda, Shawenj Gawin, Nigan Bede. Gda, I think I would put GDI, Gda. Gda Shawenj Gawin. Gda Shawenj Gawin, Nigan Bede. Gda Shawenj, Gda, Gda Shawenj, Anchbina. Gda Shawenj Gawin, Nigan Bede. Gda Shawenj Gawin, Nigan Bede. Gda Shawenj Gawin, Nigan Bede. Okay. Somebody have a question? Oh, I thought there was a hand up. Okay. Noj Moen Gawin Beje Gabwisseno Gadash Wigwo Gego. Noj Moen Gawin Beje Gabwisseno Gadash Wigwo Gego. Noj Moen Gawin Beje Gabwisseno Gadash Wigwo Gego. Kinugo Gdakshki Ewis Kenzawan. Kinugo Gdakshki Ewis Kenzawan. Ginugo Gdakshki Ewis Kenzawan. Miigwechwen de Ming. Miigwechwen de Ming. Nisak Kamagak got baka. Nisak Kamaga got Magat Chenandabowin. Miigwechwen de Ming. Nisak Kamagat Chenandabowin. Miigwechwen de Ming. Sak Kamagat Chenandabowin. Miigwechwen de Ming. Nisak Kamagat Chenandabowin. Gibi don Kchei man be a king. Gabi don Kchei man be a king. Miigwech for that, adding that A. Gibi don Kchei man be a king. Apche nishin meje gnama Bagwasendamowin. Apche nishin memje gnama Bagwasendamowin. Apche nishin meje gnama Bagwasendamowin. Apche nishin meje gnama Bagwasendamowin. Akadewin da nigan Danigan, okay. Akadewin, Nigan Nemen Megat, the Nigan Mengat. Okay, that doesn't sound right, Becca. Akadewin. Akadewin, the Nigan Mengat, and so Tkokien. Akadewin, the Nigan Megat, and Sat Kokien. Akadewin, the Nigan Mengat, and Sat Kokien. Okay, let me just think about this one. Akadewin is taking one more step. I'm having the Nigan Mengat, the Niga. Akadewin, the Nigan Mengat.
Got a comment there. Danigan McCook. You're like, how about that one? Danigan Nimaguk. Let's see, I'll change this typing here and
Okay.
see if it looks better. Nigan McCook.
Akadewin.
Oh, now they wait. Go back to Guk.
And Sat Kokien, that's, yeah. The Nigan.
I thought maybe it had too many vowels in it, so I was like, I'm going to get rid of this I.
Okay, yeah. The Nigan Mengat, and Sat Kokien. Akadewin, the Nigan Mengat, and Sat Kokien. Akadewin, the Nigan Mengat, and Sat Kokien. Optionation Memje Naman Bosendabowin. Oh, did we do that already?
Yeah, I'm going to go to the next slide now.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
We do have a question from Arlene.
Okay.
Hello,
Ani,
kinondois.
Knondon.
Wete tanang kagita sindeman. Wete
When a Scotch.
nigani magak.
Okay, can you go back to that previous sentence? Akade ewen.
Yeah,
Nigan Mengat.
magak.
Guk.
Yeah,
Guk. Meguk.
something is moving forward.
Yeah. Akade ewen. Okay, I'll say this over again. Miigwech Arlene. Akade ewen. The Nigan Menguk. And sot kokiyun.
Nigani magak.
Nigan. Tugo anch minokidan.
Nigani magak.
Nigani magat miwe. Nigani magat. Woohoo!
Ni kana.
Nigani magat.
Yeah.
Yeah, miwe.
Yeah.
Miwe Charlene.
Yeah.
Nigan. Aninge kidan mino anch.
The nigani magak.
The Nigani magat. The Nigani magat.
Yeah.
Minagoa.
Yeah.
Akade when the Nigan.
Ni magak.
I don't want to look at the word there.
Ni magak.
Akade when the Nigan nimagat and sot kokien.
Yeah.
How did you get a good voice there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kinagachi. Yeah.
Nango grom damang manda esbigadek mego the they're tongue twisters. Panegwa pipskabi magat ew ge shawen ge win. Panegwa pipskabi magat ew ge shawen ge win. Panegwa pipskabi magat ew ge shawen ge win. Kagu ge go nuebien. Nama jish kam oshme. Kagu ge go nuebien. Manama jish kam oshme. Kagu ge go nuebien. Manama jish kam oshme. Miigwech Wenebowen awan gibeshayen. Miigwech Wenebowen awan gibeshayen. Miigwech Wenebowen awan gibeshayen. Gawin nom dasin zagedwen. Kinang gwache gataing temagat. Gawin nom dasin zagedwen. Kena gwache gataing temagat.
Excuse me,
Gawin
Martina.
nom dasin zagedwen. Kinang gwache temagat temagat. Oh, Aniga.
I was just wondering if we were okay with Guam Dizine. If that was okay.
Yeah, Gawin nom dasin. Is that what I said? Gawin nom dasin. I'll turn it on after. Yeah. Gawin nom dasin zagedwen. Kinang gwache gataing temagat. Gawin nom dasin
How should we
zagedwen.
spell that?
Wow.
So sorry, how should we spell that? Nom Dizine.
Nom, no, nom dasin, N, no, no, there's a N there. Oh, quam dasin. This, I said it wrong because Gawin nom dasin. Like I'm talking about myself. Gawin quam dasin. It's that person you don't see that love because it's all over, all around that you can't see. Gawin quam. Okay, let me say it again. Gawin quam dasin zagedwen. Kinang gwache gataing temagat. Gawin quam dasin zagedwen. Kinang gwache gataing temagat. Abjetan gwa bochgeyen. Gawin bunta tam giseno. Buntam gasno. Okay, I'll try this again. Abjetan gwa bochgeyen. I can't speak now. Abjetan gwa bochgeyen. Gawin botam giseno bochgeyenan. Abjetan go bochgeyen. Gawin buntam gisnon bochgeyenan. Abjetan go bochgeyen. Gawin buntam gisno bochgeyenan.
Martina, we have Arlene on again.
Okay, how?
Aho.
When
We Gawin geworden Dazinen.
Gawin Gawin
Kawin kawabin tazin.
Yeah, you don't see them.
Yeah.
Apchego,
Kawin kawabin tazinan.
Kawin, you don't see them. You don't see those Kawin kom dasinan,
Yeah. Wab-
Bojgewanan. You
Yeah.
don't see those dreams. But Gawin Bontamgas Sanon, the dreams keep going. That's what I was trying to say. Gawin Bontamgas non, Bontamgas non, Bojgeonan. They keep going.
Yeah. Where that message before that. Kawin kawabin tazin. It's saying you're not able to see. Kawin kawabin tazin. You in it is you may not see. Where it says you may not see. Kawin kawabin tazin.
You don't see your dreams.
Yeah. Where it
But,
says
the dreams don't expire. Some on
uh,
the Gawin
the
Bontamgas Sanon.
talking about number 35.
Oh, 35.
Uh,
Oh, okay. I'm on the dream part. Gawin kwam da sin.
Robin Dazin, yeah.
Gawin kwam da sin sage duin. Kinang gochet gata ing temgat.
Yeah.
Kwam da sin.
Yeah. Okay.
Ah,
I know it's tongue twister. When you read it like that, it kind of, I cannot have to look at it. Okay. I'm a northern dialect Ojibwe. I have to not look at it. Like what,
ni na sap.
what, those.
Yeah,
I
na
don't
sap
think,
ni.
yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Be zage yein. Gwa akwa de win. Gada an. Besagi ein go akadewin gadaan. Besagi ein go akadewin gadaan.
Allie, we're missing a D and got the
Zagi
dot on.
gadaan. Gada. Oh yeah, there should be a D there. Yeah, me gwetch. Okay. Besagi ein go akadewin gadaan. Kin go ayaw yen. Do mami kweneme go. Kin go ayaw yen. Gdo mami kweneme go. Kin go ayaw yen. Gdo mami kweneme go. Oshme nishin Giizisoo-Mzinigan Gdo menuanagos. Gdo menuanagos. Okay, anchmino. Oshme nishin Giizisoo-Mzinigan Gdo menuanagos. Oshmenishin Giizisoo-Mzinigan Gdo menuanagos. Pitendagot enwe in nakazan. Pitendagot enwe in nakazan. Pitendagot enwe in nakazan. I think there's a spelling with the enwe in. Noe. There's a anyway, no, where. There might be an I or an E, yeah. Anyway, yeah, miwe. Anyway, in nakasan, yeah. Pitendagot Anyway, na causan. Gda makan go je waskunek tibi idikwa. 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 Wenje shing gde pitendawas we yaman. Wenje shing gde pitendawas we yaman. Wenje shing gde pitendawas we yaman. Wenje shing gde pitendawas we yaman.
Before we leave this slide, Martina, can you tell us about a little bit more about Tibi-Idik?
Tibi-Idik is Tibi-Idik, how would I say it? Tibi-Idik. I don't know, like where it could be found. Abishtek, like somebody might say, Abishtemagak. And then you might say, I don't know, like Tibi-Idik, in that kind of a sense. Light can always be found in the cracks. Tibi-Idik, it could also mean anywhere. It's got two meanings. It can be found Tibi-Idik, Tibi-Idik, anywhere that can be found.
Right.
When Jishing, did I say that last one? 42? Did we go? Shashwa? Okay. Abjatan go nigan eshayen. Kamigwechwendam. Abjatan go nigan eshayen. Kamigwechwendam. Abjatan go nigan eshayen. Kamigwechwendam. Anke migweyen. Majigen Anishinaabemowin. Anke migweyen Majigen Anishinaabemowin. Anke migweyen Majigen Anishinaabemowin. Kinago ga nigan bis Majishkayen. Okay, let's say that again. Kinago ga nigan bis Majishkayen. Kinago ga nigan bis Majishkayen. Kinago ga nigan bis Majishkayen. No. Gawin panegwa daben chuseno. Gawin panegwa daben chuseno. Gawin panegwa daben chuseno. Gawin panegwa daben chuseno. Gna John gebim Sadamowin. Gna John gebim Sadamowin. Gna John gebim Sadamowin. Gná Joan go bim Sadamowin. En sogíisegach Cínago enje menon endaman. En sogíisegach Cínago enje menon endaman peka. En sogíisegach Cínago enje menon endaman. En sogíisegach Cínago enje menon endaman. Bogos Sandamowin temagat Gde Shawenjigewin. Gde Shawenjigewin. Bogos Sandamowin temagat Okay, anspino. Det kommer jag en bish snack hemna kväll. Bogos Sandamowin temagat Gde Shawenjigewin. Bogos Sandamowin temagat Gde Shawenjigewin. This could also be said, Gde Shawenjigewin temagat Bogos Sandamowin. It could also be said that way too. Gde Shawenjigewin. Your kindness, but that's literal translation. Bogos Sandamowin temagat Gde Shawenjigewin. Debo tan eyaman. Debo tan eyaman. Binje. Okay, binje ing. I think I would spell. I'll say this first. I think they're. Debo tan eyaman binje ing wenje shing. So binje. After binje ing. Binje ying with a Y. Binje ying. Binje ying wenje shing. Yeah, miwe. Debo tan eyaman binje ing wenje shing. Debo tan eyaman binje ing wenje shing. Mzoe king nishin zam wo kinja. Mzoe king nishin zam go kinja. Mzoe king nishin zam kin gonja. Mzoe ing become Mzoe. Mzoe king nishin zam. Okay, now, can I say that one more time? Mzoe king nishin zam go kinja. Mzoe king nishin zam kin wanja. Oh, I think, okay. Mzoe king nishin zam go kinja. Miwe. Gebim sada nugo guya ekenzik. Bim sada nugo guya ekenzik. Gebim sada nugo guya ekenzik. Gebim sada nugo guya ekenzik. Gebim sada nugo guya ekenzik. Osh me go wenje shing. Osh me go wenje shing binje bedemagat. Oshmega wenja shing beach bedemgat. Oshmega wenja shing beach bedemgat. Oshmega. Oshmego. Or should I spell it G-W-A? Go. Oshmega. G-W-A, yeah. Oshmega wenja shing beach bedemgat. Oshmega wenja shing beach bedemgat.
Ali, I think we need to change that K at the end to a D. Beach Bademgat.
Miwa. Good catch. Oshmega wenja shing beach bedemgat. Oshmega beach. Oshmega beach. Oshmega wenja shing beach bedemgat. Oh. Goeie woni gwechbik.
Okay, so we have one comment in the chat here. Maybe you're trying to read it there, but I can read it out for you. It says, does Anishinaabemowin mean to share? Can be the good life.
Does Anishinaabemowin mean to share? Well, Anishinaabemowin is that good life. Minnow talks about that goodness. Bemowin is that life. And the next one question, can you define Wenjishing? Wenjishing is something that is good. You know, Wenjishing, oh, someone do Wenjishing dagim dozen Wenjishing, something that's, let's say, Sandagin dozen Wenjishing kikos. Wenjishing kikos, something that's good to use. Can you explain? Okay.
How to say ice? This was further. Ice as in like frozen water?
Oh,
Or things that are cold. So,
makom.
yeah. Okay, go ahead.
Makom? Ice cubes. Kumisak. Kumisak.
Okay, so for ice cubes, you would say makomi suck.
Yeah,
And then for ice in general, you said makom.
makom.
And then there is things that are cold.
Like say, if you're talking about weather, ksana, that's cold.
If I'm talking about my boots, so what about my boots are cold?
Oh, tkia non botsenan. Tkia non.
Tequila.
Yeah.
If
Or
it's an
tkanon.
inanimate
Or you
thing.
can say
Like
tkanon.
pecan, oh, plural.
Yeah,
No.
tkanon botsenan.
And then somebody now they're saying related to November. So let's see the month name for November.
Bashkakaden Giizis.
That's not about ice. If that was tying back to ice.
Okay, Bashkakaden.
And that's freezing. That's freezing moon, right? When we say that Bashkakudin.
Yeah, it's like deep freeze.
Okay. Now somebody is typing into times of year. So Jeremy's got a lot of comments coming one after the other. So times of year. I think one time Lori collected these two for us, right, Lori? Did you do like solstices, seasons? Did we cover seasons one time?
Yeah, like Anja and the Webbin.
All right, so we've got another question popping up. I'm going to skip past here and go to Dell. Miigwech for all the wonderful statements. He's excited to practice. They're excited to practice. They have a class right after this. And some of their students know you. Eileen Fox Plant. So Eileen
Oh,
Fox Plant's going to be in Dell's next class. So small world.
where's she going to be? No.
Yeah, it looks like online. Dell is in an online class. I think it's probably an online class.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
Osawa Giizisoo has a question in here. How would you say you all are inspiring? So you're all inspiring.
Abchigamami Quendagos. Abchigamami Quendagos. You Abchigamami Quendagos. Lori. Can I end the key for all your work?
And now is that what so are you saying that to just Lori or are you saying
Oh, no,
that
no.
to, oh,
The question was, how would you say you are inspiring? Kamami
yeah.
Quendagos.
But to everybody. So it's like I'm teaching my
Kamami
students
Quendagzim. Kamami Quendagzim.
how.
Kamami
Gamami
Quendag.
Kwendaguzim.
Kamami Quendagzim. Zim.
All right. Here's how we have another one. Small, how would you say small trickle of water? Small trickle of water.
Beast saw. Like the small, some of them get beast saw. Beast saw is like almost talking about rain when it's very,
Misty, like
yeah,
a misty rain.
yeah, beast saw. Beast saw.
Now, what if you're walking down a path, you see a small trickle of water coming out of the rock? You know how sometimes we see those
You
little.
would say, you could also say that to beast samagat. Beast samagat. Beast samagat. Magat. Beast samagat.
Large river.
Kchizibe. Kchizibe.
All right, miigwech. Della is clarifying that they meet on Zoom. The host is the Anishinaabemowin Bodaway Committee. I believe they're working their way through some online modules as a group, but Dell can type some more in the chat for us. Eileen also attends her study group on Fridays and Sundays when she's able to. Lovely person.
Oh.
Okay, let's see.
That's my dancer.
Oh.
I didn't know she knew about this Zoom tonight.
Okay. Oh, two requests. I missed one. He's also seeking, I'm encouraging them to speak Anishinaabemowin. I'm encouraging them to speak Anishinaabemowin. How could we say that?
Option Nuikjak, Nuikchia, Nuikchak, Nuikchia, Nuikchak. No, I'm not saying that correctly. Nuikjaton is like you're trying hard, but you're trying to get them to speak the language. Nuikjak, Winishnabemwat. Nuikjak, Winishnabemwat. Nuikjak, Hapchu, Nuikjak, Winishnabemwat.
All right, I'm looking to see if there's any more popping up. We have a couple of miigweches. Okay, can you explain how to greet someone? Good morning, good afternoon. And that's from Gail. Gail Pyatt.
Well, Like what I've been hearing is I always say Manokishebagat, like for good morning, Manokishebagat. Um, some may say Manokishep. Some may say that, but I always tend to say Manokishebagat. And no, it's the other one. Good afternoon. We really don't say good afternoon in the language, but it's now like it's a really good afternoon. It's not noshkona kwe. You're actually visualizing the day, how beautiful it is. It's not noshkona kwe. Manoshkona kwe. But you're it's like in the afternoon. Shkona quick is the afternoon, and then minoshkona quick, minoshkona kwe, a nice afternoon. We don't say good afternoon. Minoshkona kwe. That just doesn't ring a bell. Like it doesn't jive with the language.
I guess like long ago, greetings would have been Bonjour, Ani. Would that be the extent of it?
Well, for me, I really, really don't like to hear bonjour, because when a person says, when they're introducing themselves, they say, what I've been hearing lots is, Ani bonjour, Ani bonjour. Ah, my gosh, that just irks me. Ew. If somebody's going to use those two words, like say they're doing a speech somewhere, they might say, Ani, pause, bonjour, sego, wache. Those are all greeting words. But when somebody says bonjour, Ani bonjour, I don't know. I wouldn't say that. You either use one or the other.
Okay, so we've got a couple more. So Jeremy was asking, how can we say the cedar tree has been here a long time?
Gishkandak, wo gishkandak metik, kchime oja, jaje ekoyat. Gish Gishkandik, Gishkandik metik, or Gizik metik, kchime oja jashgo ekoyat, or ekobit. Ekobit, probably. Gishkandik metik, Chijaje ekobit.
No.
Did you know that I forgot my language when I was 13? Well, I didn't speak the language. I was 5 when I was taken to residential school, and then I didn't come home. Well, I came home during the summer, and I used to be called Jagnashi Quest. Jagnashi Quest means little white girl, and I'd be called that by my siblings. And so by the time I was 13, I finally came home, and I thought, geez, I'm going to learn this language for sure. I'm going to learn it. And I started paying attention, listening, but I couldn't differentiate what's animate and inanimate at the time. So I would use like something that's considered inanimate. I would say inanimate, like a command. Bish was zitagan, I might say. Bish was zitagan. Meanwhile, the zitagan is not alive. It's an inanimate object. So I used to have problems with that, but I finally got through that. And I was just so determined to learn that Anishinaabemowin.
How long did it take you to learn it back, Martina?
Well, I just kept listening to even throughout my teenage years, like when I was I don't know, I still keep learning every day. Still, like there's some words that I can't remember, so it takes a while for me to think about, like, say the word peace, eh? I couldn't remember what that was, and it took me a while, like, to get that, because it's not a word that you use every day.
So we did have another comment in there. Gail was also saying, okay, that makes sense. Now it makes sense. Have a good day. And then she said, Mano Giizisoo-Mzinigan Ken.
Ah,
Mano Giizisoo-Mzinigan Ken.
uh,
And we're like, yeah, And then Pamela put in Mano Giizisoo-Ka. Mano Giizisoo-Ka. I don't know what that one was for. Maybe if Pamela's on there, she can tell us a little bit more. And then Jeremy's happy to hear all this. And thank you for sharing and giving Anishinaabe back to us. And thank you for all your comments, Jeremy, and those requests for translations, wanting to know how to say things. We appreciate the interactions in the chat there. If we don't have any more questions, then we will, of course, say Giizisoo-Mzinigan again to Martina. We really appreciate you joining us this evening, contributing phrases to the calendar again, sharing your teachings and the language with us. It's nice to hear those things over and over again. Of course, we also like to talk about our next webinar. We have one every month. We're still working on next month's host and date. So stay tuned to Facebook for that. That's where we promote all these things. Of course, you can reach out to Lori and I as well. Phrases in Wabagoni Giizis were provided by the Wikwemicong Board of Education. So hopefully we will have someone joining us from there. If not, we will reach out to Barbara Nolan, our commissioner, and see if she can help us out. So stay posted for that news. And if you're looking to get in touch with Lori or I, there's our email addresses. Again, I'm Allie, and Lori is my counterpart here at the Anishinaabemowin department, and we're happy to hear from you and help out as we can. And we hope to see you again.
mhm.
I see some chats, but I didn't look to see, okay, typos in there. Okay, thank you, everybody. Thank you, Martina. All right, Chimiigwech, everybody.
Chimiigwech. Chimiigwech. Aha, bama pi.
Mama.